Hello YouTube and Facebook. I'm bringing you another smoothie. This is the Blueberry Passion Fruit Smoothie. We have 6 ounces of blueberries that are frozen. We got 8 ounces of milk. We have 4 ounces of frozen pineapple. And we have 3 ounces of passion fruit puree. So this is a simple smoothie. It only takes a couple minutes, and then we just throw it into our mason jar. You know me, I don't get started to the last minute. It's already 9:14 p.m. I was going to cook, but not sure. But we'll start putting the stuff in the blender. So we'll take the blueberries, and we'll throw those in there with the juice. Then take the pineapple, and you throw that in there. So we have the blueberries and the pineapple in there. Alright, so we're back. We have the 8 ounces of milk, and like I said, I'll put everything in the description, the ingredients. So we put that in there. So we got the milk and all that, and then now we have the passion fruit. So we're gonna put some of that in there. Just pour it in there slowly, but if you don't want to use all of it, then save some of the rest. It's all up to you. Be back. Alright, so we have all that in there. We're just going to take our top and put our top on the blender. And then, depends on your machine, but mine has fruit smoothie, so we're going to just hit that. Alright, so you can see how that blended together. You only have to mix it for a little bit. So we're basically done with that, and you can see how that comes out. Nice blueberry texture, and it's going to be a really good smoothie. So now you're just going to want to pour it into your mason glass or whatever one you want to use. Alright, so we're done with that. We have the smoothie. We just put a straw in there, and that thing tastes really good. So that's a quick, easy way to make that blueberry smoothie. But if you don't want to use the whole milk, you could use almond milk or hemp milk, whatever you want. But this one calls for the whole milk. So thanks for visiting my channel. Another smoothie. It's good for summer. And thanks for taking this journey with me. Please subscribe, hit the bell for updates. I'm going to try to start bringing more updates. Dansoy, God bless, peace out.